Next question, a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molality and mole fraction of each component in the solution? If the density of the solution is 1.2 gram per milliliter, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? 10% weight by weight मतलब हो गया 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 100, तो ये हो गया वेट ऑफ ग्लूकोज और यहाँ हो गया वेट ऑफ सोल्यूशन. डिनोमिनेटर में ये जो 100 है ये है वेट ऑफ सोल्यूशन. तो वेट ऑफ वाटर कितना हो जाएगा? सिंस द सोल्यूशन इज मेड इन वाटर, वेट ऑफ वाटर हो जाएगा, वाटर इज द सॉल्वेंट. नाउ सोल्यूशन इज मेड इन वाटर, सो वाटर इज द सॉल्वेंट. सो वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट हो जाएगा वेट ऑफ सोल्यूशन दैट इज 100 माइनस weight of solute that is 10, and this is equal to 90 gram. This is the weight of water. Now we have to find the molality of the solution. Molality is equal to moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. अब moles of solute कितना होगा? Moles of solute होगा weight of solute. Weight of solute है 10 gram divided by molecular weight of solute. अब यहाँ पे solute क्या है? C6H12O6. तो इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना होगा? 1 मोल ऑफ ग्लूकोज कंटेन्स 6 मोल्स ऑफ कार्बन, 12 मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड 6 मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. कार्बन का एटॉमिक वेट है 12, हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक वेट है 1 और ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक वेट है 16. तो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना हो जाएगा ग्लूकोज का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट हो जाएगा 6 इंटू 12 प्लस 12 इंटू 1 प्लस 6 इंटू 16. सॉल्विंग ये आ गया 180 ग्राम पर मोल. तो 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 180, तो 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 180 की वैल्यू हो गई 0.055. सो मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट इज 0.055 एंड वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन केजी, वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन ग्राम इज 90 ग्राम. तो इसको केजी में करेंगे तो 90 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000, तो 1000 विल बी इन द numerator. Solving, the weight of water in kg will be 90 by 1000 kg. So 1000 goes in the numerator. Solving, molality of the solution is 0.6172 m. So this is the molality. Now to find the mole fraction of each component. Now moles of glucose is equal to 0.055 moles. Moles of water will be equal to weight of water that is 90 divided by molecular weight of water that is 18. So moles of water is 90 divided by 18. Mole fraction of glucose is equal to moles of glucose that is 0.055 divided by moles of glucose plus moles of water. Solving, mole fraction of glucose is equal to 0.0108 and mole fraction of water will be equal to 1 minus 0.0108 which is equal to 0.9892. Why 1 minus 0.0108? Because for binary solutions we know mole fraction of one component plus, for example, mole fraction of component Z plus mole fraction of component Y is equal to 1, where Z and Y are the two components forming the solution. So we know the mole fraction, we know the molality. Next we have to find the molarity. Now to find the molarity, formula for molarity is moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Moles of solute is 0.055 moles. Now volume of solution, how to find the volume of solution? Weight of solution is 100 gram. Density of solution is 1.2 gram per milliliter, which is given in the question. Volume of solution is mass by density. So this is equal to 100 divided by 1.2. and 100 divided by 1.2, so this is approximately equal to 83.33. This is the volume in milliliters. Now molarity will be equal to 0.055 divided by volume of solution, that is 83.33 in liters. Volume of solution in liters. So 83.33 divided by 1000. So this can be written as 0.055 divided by 83.33, and in the numerator there will be 1000. This 1000 will go to the numerator. So 0.055 into 1000 divided by 83.33. Molarity is equal to 0.66 m.